Good morning, bonjour. It's Madame Torres, your French teacher. I am here sending you a little video to help you prepare for the end of the semester before we go on vacation and get you ready for next semester. So I'm here logged in as a student, so I have the same view that you have in your course. And I want to make sure that everyone is aware of how to check out the class announcements. It's right here in the middle. And this is also where I post a lot of the vocabulary sheets. So this week, at the end of this week and starting next week, we need to finish up the semester. When you go into your grades, you'll see a lot of categories, a lot of different units. In order to catch up this semester and make sure that you finish in time, and also so that we don't have too much to go over next semester, I have gone through and I've actually eliminated units 15 and 16 because we addressed those topics in semester 2 anyways. So those are gone. This coming week, you will work to finish up unit 14 and unit 17. And I have specific assessments in those that you need to understand in order to be successful next semester that you are assigned to complete and practice with. And then you will have your final exam to complete next week. So when you go into your grade book, you might see a lot of these dashes in between at random points further up. Maybe you have like an A or a C here, and then you have a dash, and there's nothing there. That is because those are assignments either that you have not completed yet or that are not being graded. I have omitted those assignments. Anything you've turned in or anything that should have been completed by the end of this week, which is all the way through unit 13, it will have a grade if it's graded. What that means is you either completed that assignment already, so you will see a grade here on the side, or it will have a 50%, like an F, because it was missed. You forgot to turn it in, or you didn't have a chance to turn it in yet. If it has a dash still, that just means that it is not a grade. You don't have to worry about that. And actually, when you go into your content, you'll see it's not there anyways to complete. So, like I said again, anything that needs to be completed will have a grade, at least all the way through unit 13. Okay? The easiest and best way to know what you're missing is to look at this list and look for the low grades. You know, you go through it. Of course, here there's nothing because I'm logged in as me. But you go through, and if you have like an F here or there, go into your content and you can fix it. So let's see here. Why does that say happy? Okay. Oh, it's translating stuff. Okay. So when you go into your content, you will see here all the lessons that need to be completed, right? This coming week, we are working in unit 14, 17, and 18. 14, 17, and 18. As you see, 15 and 16 don't have anything, right? Because I omitted them. So everything all the way until unit 14 should be done. Here you'll see what I want you to complete in unit 14. We're going to go over vocabulary. You're going to learn about depuis, il y a, and pendant. I think those are very important because they have to do with talking in the past, which is something you've been learning about. And you'll go through and complete a little bit of practice. So these assignments are due Monday and Tuesday. Unit 14 needs to be completed Monday and Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, you can go ahead and work in unit 17. Now, these dates that I'm telling you, it doesn't mean you have to wait until next week, Monday or Tuesday, to start working in unit 14. If you're ready to start today or tomorrow, do it. Start. Yeah. So by next Wednesday, you should be working in unit 17, and you'll see there's just a few lessons here. You're going to learn about I, which I think is a very important thing to know as well for next semester. And then you'll have unit 18. And you'll see in unit 18, there's only one assessment here, one thing. You have the reading and listening comprehension, grammar, and you'll have a final speaking assignment to complete. So 3 things. Multiple choice on grammar and vocabulary, a reading and listening comprehension, and then a speaking assessment. When you go to grades and you go to unit 18, you may see a lot more of that. So you'll see there's part 1, part 2, part 1, part 2, we're not doing all those, right? That's why I say in content, right? In your content, it keeps translating. In your content, that is where you see what you need to get done, what needs to be completed. And it tells you how many lessons you need to go through. Okay? So I think that's it. Next week we're going to have more tutoring sessions. So I'm going to put that in this email as well. You'll see that at the bottom. You have a tutoring session specifically for the semester exam on Friday. So if you complete the semester exam before then it might not serve any purpose for you to come. You can still come for extra practice. But on Friday, the 15th, at 11 a.m., 11 to 12, that's when we will have the review for this semester exam. Okay? Everything is due by the 15th. You need to get it done. It needs to be turned in. Anything you want me to grade needs to be turned in by then. And of course, as always, I'm here to help you. So you can call me, text me, email me, and I'm more than happy to help you out. Please take advantage of the tutoring sessions next week that I'm putting available for you. If it conflicts with something in your schedule, just let me know and we'll move something around. We'll figure it out. Okay? Merci. Au revoir.